Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Actions and Stuff 1.5 for Minecraft Bedrock. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to go to Marketplace, and then Actions and Stuff should be somewhere here. If for some reason you cannot see, just go and search and you just need to write Actions and Stuff 1.5, right? And then make sure it's Actions and Stuff 1.5, click on it, and then you can download it. If you have Marketplace Pass, you can download it for free, or you just need to pay some coins. And then you just need to press download and then press download. And then you just need to wait for a couple of seconds here. After download is done, then make sure to press activate texture pack. And then under the active, make sure that your pack is active. In my case, it's under the Marketplace Pass packs. And it should be here, Actions and Stuff. Click on it and make sure to activate it, right? Also, if you click on Actions and Stuff and press on the check mark, you can refresh and just update it if you want to. You can deactivate it. And also, if you press gear icon here, you can change resolution. I know that for some people, it's not working with the highest resolution, so you can do with the 32 or 60x and then look if you're not getting any errors. Also, if you had a previous worlds and you want to have Actions and Stuff here, you just need to press on the gear icon here and go to resource packs. Then you need to go to Actions and Stuff and make sure to activate it here. If for some reason this do not work, or you have other texture packs, then I suggest to do here is to go to settings. Then you need to go to storage, and then you just need to clear Marketplace cache, clear download cache, screenshot cache, and more. And then you just need to reactivate Actions and Stuff that I showed you earlier, right? And yeah, you should see the main screen changed with the Actions and Stuff. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.